The Honourable Member for Churchill.
Mr. Speaker, today I rise in this House to congratulate the first place winners of Canada's Got Talent, Saugeen's Finest. As the MP for Saugeen First Nation, I would like to join the many people from across Manitoba and Canada in congratulating Vincent O'Laney, Brandon Crushane, and Dallas Crushane. They have made so many people very proud. Saugeen's Finest showcases the true spirit of our region. The name of their group honors the elders who have passed, who taught and influenced them and other young people to jig and fiddle. Like many Aboriginal young people, Vincent, Brandon, and Dallas combine the wealth of tradition with a modern twist. Saugeen's Finest shows the power of community. Their First Nation supported them and have helped them shape them into role models. In fact, last night the community joined together to cheer the next generation on. Saugeen's Finest also shows us how we have to believe in young Aboriginal people, their talents, and their future. That we must support the arts and education, and we must celebrate the successes of young Canadians. We will be cheering Saugeen's Finest on their journey forward. Miigwech.